This is an introduction of the Forest Manufacturing Model B2 tilting head traveling table bandsaw with a large table. I've done other demo videos of the Model B2. The #1 party trick is the head will tilt from vertical to 45 degrees off vertical. The standard table on this is relatively light duty. It's meant for cutting foams of all sorts. It's got like a 54-inch table travel designed to cut through up to a 48-inch wide material. But I have a customer who has work pieces that are up to 10 feet long that he needs to cut through at an angle. So we had to redesign the table to suit him. Now I know perspective is not my friend in here, but I've got a table here. It starts here and goes all the way back to here. So basically it's an 11-foot table. Still traveling table. For the controls, we normally put the controls on the table itself, but for this machine, table management was getting being unwieldy, so we just put the controls on a podium. We have saw start and stop, and we have the tilt controls on the podium. So machine tilts motorized from vertical over to 45 degrees. This machine will also get a precision workpiece positioning fence that mounts right here. We have left that off until after we have painted up the table, otherwise we're going to get everything scratched up. The fence surface is aluminum plate, so it does not get painted, but it mounts up to the fence blocks, and those all get put on after the table is nice and pretty. The machine also comes with an electronic digital readout to show the angle position of the saw head, but it does automatically stop at 45 degrees, coming up any moment now. 45 degrees. So let's test cut something here. Got a nice big piece of foam here, nice and long. For reference, I'm 6'4" tall, so this is, I think, like a 7-8 foot of material here. Not even the full capacity of the machine. So this is like a 2-pound foam, rigid foam. The blade I have on the machine right now is a 3/4 inch wide, I believe it's a 3-tooth. 3/4 inch wide, 3-tooth per inch blade. It's gonna blow right through this. So start the saw. I think I'll put a longer cord on that. The blade drive motor has a brake, so when I hit the stop button, it stops now. That's what the machine does. No trouble at all. Just for grins, also have this stiff, resilient foam material. It's like 1-inch thick sheets. It's pretty high density. It is a resilient foam. It's a seat cushion foam, but a very stiff, high density seat cushion foam. It's probably closer to what the actual customer will be cutting with this saw. So you can use a hook tooth style blade to cut resilient foams. It does a great job. It just blasts right through it. A little bit of fuzzing and dust, but actually on this material, which is a pretty dense, high density material, it does a good job. The other alternative is to use a knife style blade. Knife style blade cutting this type of material will create no dust. It'll give a smoother cut edge, but the blades are much more expensive and they cut more slowly. So if your application allows it, recommend a hook tooth style blade. If you need more blade than that, use more blade than that, but don't waste money. If you have any questions or like to discuss a specific application, please feel free to call or email us at Forest Manufacturing. Thank you and have a good day.